Your Audi have the start-stop feature and you would like to turn it off, but you don't know how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you how to activate and deactivate the Audi start-stop system by just one click. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Every time you start your Audi, the start-stop system is automatically activated. Start-stop feature is designed to save fuel by turning the engine off temporarily when it's not needed and to reduce emissions. However, it's not always desirable to have the car automatically turned off when stationary. Therefore, you can simply deactivate the start-stop system by just one click. In the center console you will find this button. By clicking on this button, you will deactivate the start-stop system. A new notification will pop up on the Audi virtual cockpit and a red light on the button will confirm that the start-stop system is deactivated. Would you like to activate the start-stop system again? Simply press again on the button and a new notification will be shown on the Audi virtual cockpit that the system is activated and the red light will be switched off. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.